Welcome to my channel Vacancy Vibes. In this video, I will discuss about ICSI CS professional results and how to download your scorecard of CS executive result. So, finally, the result is declared of the CS executive exams, and you can easily download with your mobile phone. And in this video, I will discuss how to download a step-by-step process for your scorecard. And before starting the topic, I would like to subscribe my channel and please share it with your friends. So the candidates who have appeared for the ICSI CS June 2025 examination can download the scorecard online by entering their login details, and you can easily download with your mobile phones. So the Institute of Company Secretaries of India has announced the CS professional result June 2025 old and new syllabus at icsi.results. So the ICSI CS declared the CS executive result June 2025 as per the given schedule. Uh, Candidates who appeared for the June 2025 examination can download the scorecard by entering their login details, CS roll number and CS application number. Uh, ICSI conducted the CS Executive and Professional June 2025 exam from June 1 to June 9, 2025 in offline mode. Candidates who have appeared for the CS Executive June 2025 examination will have to download the e-Marksheet online, where areas CS Professional June 2025 candidates will be issued the scorecard offline. ICSI CS Executive Professional Result June 2025 date and time. The date and time will be for the program ICSI CS Professional Result June 2025. Result date is 25 of August 2025 at 11 a.m. That is out. And ICSI CS Executive Result June 2025 will declare uh, on 25 August 2025 at 2 p.m. So these are the dates and times for the CS executive exam results. So now I will discuss about the steps to download ICSI CS result. To download you have to visit the official website of ICSI, that is icsi.edu, and click on the tab displaying on the CS Executive June 2025 results or CS Professional June 2025 results. The screen will now display on the login page. Select the examination and enter your ICSI roll number and ICSI application number. Screen will now show the ICSI CS scorecard of the given chosen program, and you can save and print the scorecard for future reference. So in this video you learn about how to download your scorecard, and if you like this video then please subscribe my channel for further details and updates, and also share it with your friends or colleagues. Thank you for watching my video.